Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and no, this is not the latest fashion statement. This is an awesome product that I'm reviewing today. This is the Cotsoco Neck, Back, Shoulder Plus Shiatsu Massager. Very portable, 4D massaging heads, plugs into a standard outlet or a car outlet, and helps those tired, aching muscles feel a lot better. Let me get it off and around my neck so that I can show you all the cool features about it and talk about how it works. This is the unit itself. You've got those massage heads here on this side with a nice breathable mesh cover, and then you've got these straps that go around your shoulder, and then you put your arms through them, and that way you pull this. That's how you kind of pull this down against your shoulders and against your back, and really makes it work great. Really quick, let's talk about what comes in the box when you open the package. You're going to see that you get the power cords to use this both at home with a standard outlet, as well as a power cord to use this in your car to plug into an auto power outlet so that you can use it in your vehicle if you want to, which is awesome that they include both. You get the manual that gives you the basic instructions, and then you get this nice carrying case that this comes in and that you can use to take it with you wherever you go. It fits in really easily and nicely and looks great, and you get that. You open that up and then you see the machine itself, and it's a great machine. It's got the nodes, it's got the straps, it's got those controls on the side there to control everything. Just works really great. So let's talk about how this works, and I'm going to show you some demo footage of me using this while I'm talking about it so you can kind of see it in action and see how it works. Some of the cool things about this, those kneading heads that really do that shiatsu massage. 4D. The reason they say 4D is because there are 4 different levels, 4 different sizes of nodes on each one of these, and so that really helps to get in there and really get those muscles, especially my shoulders. I get really tight in my upper back and my shoulders, and when I'm using this and it's digging into those muscles, it's great. And because you have these shoulder straps that you put your arms through, you can sort of determine the intensity that way, because if you put more pressure on it, then it's more intense. If you put less, then it's less intense. So you can kind of control that yourself, which is cool. Besides that, you've got different modes built in here. So you can see you have your power button that turns it on or off, obviously. Then you have your reverse. Now, if you don't use that, if you just run this, it does auto reverse. I believe every 5 minutes it auto reverses, so it does go both ways. But if you manually, if you don't like it and you just want to control the way it's going, then you can control it with that button right there. Then you have the next button is your speed. You've got 4 speeds. You've got low, medium, and high, and that's just the speed of the rotation of those nodes, which just offers a slightly different massage effect depending on what you need and what you like or what works best for the muscles you're massaging. And then on the bottom you have that heat button. So you can use this with or without heat. You turn that on and you can see those red lights come on to let you know the heat is on, and you do feel the heat. And it's not a really hot, intense heat, but it's a nice low sort of helps loosen your muscles during the massage, and it works really great. Now when you turn the heat on, one cool effect of that is because the lights do come on to let you know that the heat is on. It also allows you to really see these nodes in action. So you can see when the heat is on and those nodes are in action, you can see all those nodes that are working underneath this mesh cover to really get you a great massage. And this is great because it can be used on so many different areas. I mean, you can use it on your neck and your upper shoulders, but also, like for me especially, down sort of mid-shoulder, upper back area. That's where I love to use this, really my whole upper back area. And you can drop it down to your lower back. You can even use this on your legs. You can use it on your thighs. You can use it on your calves. It is basically a shiatsu massage node that is rotating, and that's how it does its thing. And you can use it on any aching muscles anywhere. Of course, it's specifically designed, and what you probably the main use of it is for your back, your shoulders, and your neck, and it really excels at that. It works really great. It's a very simple product. I love that you have both the auto and the home power plug, and you just really easily plug them into the end of this. You plug them into that, whichever one you want to use, and then you've got the power, and just the fact that you can throw it on your shoulders, sit there for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It does have a 15-minute auto shut off, so it'll shut off automatically after 15 minutes. And just get a nice quick massage. The fact that because it has these nice shoulder straps that are comfortable to like just rest your arms in, but if you want to put a little more pressure on them, you can, to really help dig in even harder. So it allows you to control how deep the massage is. You've got all the controls that you would want with the reverse and the different speeds and the heat on or off. So it works really, really great. If you're looking for a great way to just relieve some of the muscle tension in your upper back, your shoulders, your neck, or just a good all-around at-home simple massager, then this one by Cotsoco is a really great product and definitely one that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.